you guys, I'm Nikki DeRoest and I'm bareMinerals Clean Beauty Makeup Artist. And I'm here today with my beautiful model Tiage, and we're gonna show you an amazing statement lip with a really glowy eye. And it's really, really fun, super simple, and I can't wait to show you how it's done. So we're going to start with a little bit of skin prep, which is always my favorite. And I'm going to put on the Skin Longevity. And this is my favorite product because it just really gives the skin a really beautiful glow and freshness. And I like to say that it's a healthy shot for the skin. It just feels amazing.
It feels really good.
I know, right? And then this is the Bare Haven Essential Moisturizing Soft Cream. So it's easy to use. It's kind of just your no-brainer go-to moisturizer. It works on all different skin types, normal to dry, normal to combination. And it's just a nice little moisture before your foundation. All right, how's your skin feel?
Amazing.
Okay, so now that your skin already, it looks so amazing, it's so fresh, I'm going to prep you with this Prime Time Foundation Primer. And I like to just apply this with my fingers and really focusing it more towards the center of your face and your T-zone, because that's usually where we want our foundation to kind of stay. We don't want to get too oily, and it's just a nice base layer for your foundation to live over the top. So this is the Bare Pro Foundation, and it comes in 30 shades. And I'm using this brush, it's called the Luxe Performance Brush. So I actually always like to start my foundation application in the center of the face. And that's because usually where we want to have the most coverage is in the middle. And then we kind of can just diffuse and use as needed towards the edges.
And this brush is really soft.
I know, isn't it the best? It kind of does two things. It's easy for me to get it underneath your eye and get kind of all in the little areas. And then it also kind of presses the product into your skin. So it's not sitting on top of the skin, and it just looks really, really natural.
Yeah, without it being too hard and scratchy.
Yeah, that's the worst feeling, right? And there you go. So you can see how nice that is. It's so pretty, it's just so natural. It's got a great coverage, but I still feel like it looks like your skin, right? And that's the important part, is we don't want to cover up your beauty. And you're beautiful. I'm all into a glow. And these highlighters are amazing. This is the Bare Pro Glow. It's called Joy.
Joy, oh.
And it actually diffuses into your skin so beautifully. So I always like to make just kind of a C shape. So I'm just tapping a little bit of this straight onto your eyelid. And then we'll do, you have such pretty lips, we'll just do a little bit here on your Cupid's bow.
Nice.
And then I always like to do just a tap onto the chin, because then it kind of just cohesively gives you that
Brings
glow. Yeah. So good, right?
Oh yeah, I'm glowing already. I love this.
So this is the Lashtopia, and I do this with every mascara. I just love to kind of take off a little bit of the product, because I think sometimes our biggest mistake is that we get too heavy with the mascara for the initial coat. So we just want to add a little bit, and we can always continue to layer it on. But this can give you up to 10 times the fullness. So it's nice too because it's quick and easy. You can actually just have one coat and it just does the trick. Look at me. It's perfect. It just gave you that little bit of pop. Opened your eyes a little, right? Okay, so we're almost done actually. So this is the Brow Master, and you have great eyebrows. I just want to enhance them a little bit more. So I'm brushing everything upward and outward first. So I always like to start on the outer corner because that's usually where we're more sparse and we need a little bit more love. It's kind of typical for everybody.
Eyebrows are like my toughest challenge in the morning. So I just leave them.
I know, and then once you get it down, then it's super easy. Once you figure out for your own brow like where it needs the shaping, then it will just become second nature. And luckily with this pencil, it makes it really, really quick and easy. All right, Tiaje. So I love how you're looking right now. I feel like you could just leave the house and be fresh and fearless. But I do want to give you kind of the finishing touch, which is your statement lip. And this is a matte finish, and it's long wear as well. So I like to start in the center. Everything about creating a statement lip is also about a layering process. Isn't it nice, this formula? I feel like it's kind of weightless. So yeah, I think that we're completed.
I think I'm ready to go out. Where we going?
Ooh, you look gorgeous.
I love it.
Yeah, let's go do something fun now, right?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Thanks for letting me do your makeup.
Thank you for doing it.
Of course.
Hey.